There are two versions of the caster tire floor savers, the original and the new heat shrink version. The caster tire floor savers convert hard plastic casters into soft, quiet, floor-saving wheels. The caster tire floor saver fits over existing hard plastic wheels. When installing, note that there is a flange on the one side of the tire. The flange must face the outside for proper operation. For the new shrink-wrap caster tires, place the caster tire over the exposed part of the wheel. The flange or sharp edge on the tire faces the outside of the caster. The rounded edge goes to the inside. Rotate the wheel 1/2 rotation and stretch the caster tire on until it is securely in place and centered on the wheel. Use a heat gun to shrink the caster tire onto the wheel. Be careful, do not overheat the tire or caster. Rotate the wheel 1/2 rotation as soon as the tire forms. Repeat the process. Use a hairdryer on the highest setting if a heat gun is not available. Now the chair can move smoothly and quietly without damaging the floor. Fits on wheels ranging in size from 1 3/4 inches to 2 1/4 inches. Caster tire floor savers can be used on all floor surfaces that are recommended for VCT, vinyl, linoleum, finished concrete, marble, and ceramic tile.